Welcome to a whole new world, the digital classroom of Merryland Academy. A smart class like never before. Easy learning, happy children, happy families.
Reproduction. Reproduction is the process of giving birth to the young ones of its own kind. It is an important process for all living beings for the continuation of their species. Animals reproduce in two ways. By laying eggs. By giving birth to young ones of their own types. Animals like frogs, snakes, birds, crocodiles and insects lay eggs. When the babies mature, they break the shell and come out. Animals like lion, tiger, elephant, rabbit and human beings give birth to their young ones and feed them their own milk. These are called mammals. Mammals have well-developed brains. Most of them even have hair on their body. Young ones of animals develop inside the mother's body where they get complete protection and parental care. When they are born, the mother cares for them, feeds them with milk and protects them till they can look after themselves. Birds. All birds reproduce by laying eggs. They build their nests on trees to lay eggs. Birds sit on eggs for many days until the eggs are hatched and the babies come out of them. All about an egg. All eggs have a thin protective shell called the eggshell. It protects the egg. The yellow portion in the center is called the yolk. The yolk contains a dark spot called the embryo, which grows into a baby bird. The developing embryo gets its food from the yolk. Albumin, a white watery substance, provides protection and nourishment to the embryo. The male or female parent animal sits on the eggs for a few weeks to keep it warm. This is called incubation. The breaking of the egg, to let the baby come out, is called hatching. The development of an animal from the embryo to an adult is called the life cycle. Snakes, turtles, crocodiles and lizards are all reptiles. They lay eggs on the ground. Some of them dig shallow pits near the riverbanks and lay their eggs there. Life cycle of frog. A frog lays eggs in large clusters called spawns. A tadpole hatches out of an egg and looks very different from an adult frog. It looks like a small fish, which swims in water and it eats water plants. After a few weeks their tail disappears and legs, organs and limbs start forming. Ultimately they turn into an adult frog. Life cycle of butterfly. Eggs. Larva. Pupa. Butterfly. All insects lay eggs. The eggs go through several stages before becoming adult insects. Their life cycle also shows metamorphosis. The eggs of a butterfly hatch into larvae. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. A caterpillar looks very different from a fully grown butterfly. The caterpillar builds a cocoon around itself to form a pupa. The pupa sheds its skin many times to become an adult butterfly. The process of shedding the old skin is called molding. Life cycle of housefly. Housefly goes through 4 stages in its life cycle. The larva of a housefly is called a maggot. Life cycle of cockroach. Insects like grasshoppers and cockroaches pass through 3 life cycle stages. A young cockroach that develops from the egg is called a nymph.
Make things happen. Take inspired action.
Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow.